What's going on, my good people? This is gonna be my 2024 fireworks stash. Yeah, so let's just get right into it. First off, got Witch Doctor. Got a Master Party. Looks kind of dope. Just got some Superman canister shells, Rambos, Master 7s. Got a Riverboat Gambler. Got an Art. Cocoa Puffs. Beast. Power Play. Got Venom. Got a Nightcrawler. Kind of excited about this one. We got a Neo. Killer Instinct. Oh, I saw Will Jeezy like this one. I'm excited about this as well. This one's gonna be dope. It's a little Slick Willie, Miss Marvel. Oh, got a Masterpiece. Moonlight Party. I think this is a rewrap of Master Rage, so this should be a good one too. And then finally we got a Valid, little compound cake. So yeah, that's my 2024 stash. Hope everyone's loading up.